So today we're focusing on rounding calculations to make approximate answers to help us check our actual answers and compare them to make sure that they are accurate. So looking at the calculation 3,867 add 4,003, what could we do to those numbers? What could we round them to give us an approximate answer? So we called 3,867 is almost 4,000. It's just over 100 less than 4,000, and 4,003 is nearly 4,000. So we could say 4,000 add 4,000 would be a rounded calculation. So that means our estimated answer would be 8,000, which using our mental strategies. But the actual answer is 7,870. So it's quite close to our estimated answer. Looking at the next question, 12,056 add 1,802. There are some, you might decide to round these in different ways, but one way you could round them might be to think, well, that's 12,056 is almost 12,000, and 1,802 is nearly 2,000. So you could say it's 12,000 add 2,000, which will give us 14,000. Now our actual answer is 13,858. So that's close. That helps us see that our estimate was close to our actual answer. Now you might have chosen some different place values to round to. So instead of adding 2,000, you might have added 1,800. So 12,000 and 1,800 would be 13,800. So that would be even closer to the actual answer. So it depends on which numbers you choose. Will affect the number, the estimated answer. Okay, so slightly missed some of the screen here, but we've got days of the week for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we've got the number of people who travelled on a train in a table. So, sorry, that's cut off a little bit as well, but what is the approximate number of people who travelled into London on the train on Monday? So if we're looking for people who travelled on Monday, we're looking for the approximate number of people who travelled into London on Monday. So men, we've got 18,352, women 21,708, and children 4,593. So we could, for that question, you might do as 20,000 or add 21,000. Not 20,000 add 20,000, add 5,000. You might do it as 18,000, add 22,000, add 5,000. There are lots of different ways. So a suggested answer might be 45,000. So you might have done 20,000 add 20,000, add 5,000. So rounded 18,352 to 20,000, rounded 21,708 to 20,000, and rounded 4,593 to 5,000. So add all those together. That could get you to 45,000. What is the approximate difference between the number of children who travelled to London on Monday and the number on Wednesday? So we're looking for an approximate number, so that means we can use our rounding to get an estimate. So we've got on Monday there were 4,593, on Wednesday there were 8,111. So we might have an estimated difference of 3,000 because 4,593, well, if we were going to round that to the nearest thousand, it would be 5,000. And 8,111, we would round that to 8,000. So the difference between 5,000 and 8,000 is 3,000. Emigrated means to move permanently from one country to another.